Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios where the vibes are immaculate and the food is delicious. My name is Yanni and today we're making a buffalo chicken pasta. This incredible recipe will launch your taste buds into another dimension. Your taste buds will become like little space explorers, exhilarated and terrified about the new flavor journey that they have embarked on. I can't believe y'all let me on this channel. Chefs on Cozymeal have developed a drool-worthy buffalo chicken pasta that is perfect for any occasion. Whether you're entertaining your new BFFs, or having a cozy night in, or just looking to spice up your everyday meal routine. This comes together in about half an hour, and stay with me because today we are working smart, we are not working hard. Before we begin, please drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and tap on that little notification bell for more recipes from us. Let's get started with the prep work. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Cook the pasta until it is al dente. So please, not too soft. We're gonna continue cooking the pasta a little more later. So when the pasta is al dente, drain it and place it in a roasting pan. While the pasta is doing its thing in cooking, we're gonna work on the chicken. Bring a medium saucepan over medium heat, add in your chicken broth and a little bit of water and bring that up to a boil. Chop some chicken breasts and gingerly, tenderly add them to the broth mixture. Just make sure not to splash yourself and burn yourself. Let the chicken poach for about 5 minutes until the pieces are just cooked. Take the chicken out, place it in a small bowl, and add the buffalo sauce in here. You're gonna toss the chicken, you're gonna coat the chicken, transfer the coated chicken with the buffalo sauce into the pan that has the pasta in it. Add some Greek yogurt and fresh scallions and chopped chives and some grated cheddar to the roasting pan. Give this a good, thorough mix and do a little taste test. If it needs more sauce, give it a little more. I personally think that you can never have enough sauce. The buffalo sauce limit does not exist. Pop this roasting dish in the oven for about 10 minutes and the cheese will come out all melty and pulley and so yummy. This looks fabulous. Serve this piping hot. Babes, if you want the full recipe, check the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes. You will certainly find this recipe there, but also many more. If you haven't already, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. Listen, I don't know about y'all, but I am so excited to see what's coming up next. As always, my name is Yanni, and thank you for watching. Mwah!